of the things that we did is we got out in the field. I know a lot of companies do this, and we went to a hospital. And so to better understand what some of the pain points were, we wanted to see, how difficult it was for a technician to install it. And then more importantly, how difficult it was for a building owner, maintenance crew, whoever, make adjustments to it. And I was there with the service tech, right, and watching how they were installing our operators, but also once they had the operator installed, setting it up. And what we learned is a lot of the operators out there at the installation level would actually block a corridor. And where we visited was a hospital, right? In the hospital, if you're blocking a corridor when you have doctors and nurses and patients coming through, and you have 2 ladders in that corridor, that's just not the answer in today's world. Think about CV-19 and everything else, right? So, but beyond that, just the inconvenience that you're placing on your customer. The last thing I observed is, and I laugh at this because I'm part of this age group that needs readers now. And I observed someone having to take their progressive glasses and put them on their head upside down in order for the reader to be focused upward, to be able to adjust the knobs on the operator. So the ability to be able to see out there and adjust knobs or potentiometers easily for that technician, it's just not feasible because, doors are a lot taller today. So they're on a ladder, right, in the first place. And then you have a hospital that never shuts down. Hospitals are running all the time. So the whole idea about having a smartphone to be able to change the settings was that with that in mind. You don't have to get on your ladder. You don't have to take your cover off. Just use your smartphone to change the opening speed, the closing speed, the hold open speed, any kind of obstruction, delays, or whatever you want to have. We try to have that flexibility design in there so that they could easily change it and call the building owner over and say, hey, what do you think about this opening speed? That's a little slow for me. Can you speed up a little? Well, sure I can. Well, here, how about this? And they don't even get on the ladder and they do it right there in front of the building owner. So that's a big deal.